Now, when Luciano got the original H1 parts from Turbo Steve, they were in pretty rough condition. He decided he was going to make Evil Twin. He was going to make two bikes out of it, a blue copy and a green copy. And he did an amazing restoration, absolutely amazing. Engine, he wound up with a spare engine, extra piston cylinders, extra parts galore. He replaced so many things on this bike. It's hard to even imagine, but this is a little taste of what he went through with the restoration, and then I got to test ride the bike. All right, we got a show. We're up by Luciano's this morning. We picked up the car. We're going to go up to Ducati, but I wanted to see the progress on his H1 and just do a little walk around. He's got the grips. I love these grips.
This is a famous $7 bolt.
$7 bolt? How come you didn't use? I probably got that bolt.
It was all rusted.
Oh.
I got brand new mirrors.
The fender cleaned up nice.
Yeah, to buy the rear front brake hose bracket. The other one was all rusted.
Yeah. Oh, Turbo Steve's gonna be so jealous. Turbo Steve.
I got the signal stems coming.
Okay.
Brand new. I already replaced the one in the back.
Boy, that's a nice seat. That is.
Yes, $500 seat.
Wow. 500 bucks. My bike wasn't 500 bucks.
Holy shit.
Wow, your ass is gonna fit right on there. Whoa.
This thing is a money pit.
What a money pit. Unbelievable.
I replaced the shortcut because the other one was all rusted.
These are aftermarket, or that's a real one?
Original Kawasaki, man.
Oh,
And when I
okay.
came with the bike, it was all
Did you ever get that exhaust system from the guy on 23?
Yeah.
You got it.
Yeah.
Look at the motor, Steve. This is for you, Turbo Steve. Kick it. Go, just go kick it. It'll start right up.
Yeah.
Wow, good memories, baby.
Yeah.
Good memories.
This came out pretty
Who
good.
doesn't like an H1? Come on.
I got a couple of pieces that probably needs to be chrome plated. Like I found out how much the chrome plated costs.
Probably more than a bike.
It's probably, I wouldn't be surprised if they charge you $50 just for this.
Well, as long as you can keep printing that money with that that
that's
machine
no
you got in the
problem.
cellar.
But I know.
See that machine up there? Looks like a radio.
It's a printer.
You go cha-ching, 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 out comes $20 bills. Wow. This is really coming out nice. I'm proud of
The
you.
brakes are already working.
I thought you were going to get cranky and not do it right. You were going to take the shortcut. 7 gas tanks I had to paint already, 14 motors. How many cylinders you got for this bike? A dozen or so?
4.
4 more?
No. Oh, I made it.
Just JB Weld. We could make a fake picture,
yeah,
you know.
I can make a one.
You know, like a Photoshop. Make a 6-cylinder out of it.
Fake ones, yes.
Everything in our life is fake.
It's coming out pretty
It does look nice. I got to give you credit.
Oh,
That is real nice.
you remember the glass was all foggy here?
Yeah.
You just, it just
It
came
went
out.
away?
It's clear. Now it's clear.
Wow. Maybe the mouse was sleeping in there
I
at
don't
night.
know.
and
Something a little bug clean with the.
Yeah, it really. It came out nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Well, you got the dampener. Boy, I remember these. Holy Jesus.
Yeah.
What memories. And I remember this. Make sure you bring an extra quarter 2-stroke
I
oil.
press all the bolts. Washers, split washers, everything. And,
I could clean this taillight up for you too. I got that stuff
I
that
got
cleans
it.
the
I got
plastic.
it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
the
takes all the
polish.
little scratches out.
I got a polish too. Of course, the rubber intake is all cracked, and the other one is another $80. And I can't put.
Well,
the
just
seal-
thank God for that machine. Another
You can't
80,
put the
another
seal,
70, another 200. Oh, yeah.
You can't put. you can't patch up something when you spend a lot of money.
Yeah, no, you got to do it right, because when this is going to be a beauty when it's done.
Yeah.
Boy, well, Turbo Steve, we've done the show for you, so hope you enjoyed this Kawasaki deal here. Wow. So while Luciano was busy doing his part of the restoration, I was busy doing my part, the bodywork, the Bondo, which was, there was quite a bit of Bondo on this, if I remember right. A lot of little things I had to straighten out on the tank, but eventually we got this set of bodywork, I think, really nice. And this project was scheduled to be an Evil Twin. So Luciano was busy looking for another set of bodywork, gas tank, seat, so that we could make an Evil Twin. Now, for people who don't know, new people to the channel, an Evil Twin is a bike that you register one bike and you have 2 sets of bodywork. So it can be, in my case, it's a West Cooley bike, a GS, and a traditional bike. In this case, he's going to have a blue one. When this project was finished, he had a blue one with the blue Kawasaki paint and a green one with the green paint. And it really was, he's ridden it both ways. So as you can imagine, that's caught on. I have several Evil Twins in my humble collection, but Evil Twins is something I kind of started, and a lot of people have picked up on it. And it's a great way to have two bikes, really, for the price of one registration. And during the course of the restoration, Luciano got the whole set of bodywork that we made blue. So in the end, it was a true Evil Twin project. He had two distinct motorcycles. You only have to register one, keep one engine in oil changes, and people think you have two separate bikes, Evil Twins. And I got to test ride this bike when it was fresh, on fresh tires and shocks, and it's got a brand new seat, among other things. The engine, I think he took the best parts from several engines and put one engine together, something he's really good at doing. Anyway, I enjoyed the test ride. It brought back a million good memories to me. And I remember this test day. This was a really cold day. This was not a warm, nice, friendly day. But the bike really, you can't imagine, unless you've been in the same position I'm in, to recreate a bike that basically was lost forever, and to see it back on the road, running like a Rolex watch, handling great, and so much fun, just so much fun. And this, of course, is me riding the bike. Luciano's riding the West Cooley bike. And when I shot this original footage, I never knew this bike would become an Evil Twin also. And actually, the West Cooley bike was one of the original Evil Twins. And Harriman Park was just, this is before COVID. And it's funny, as I'm editing this, it's 22 degrees outside. I congratulate Luciano. This bike really ran and handled well. And we're right in the middle of putting together the blue bodywork for this bike Evil Twin project. And the bike is really ran great. I was really shocked. And it really handled well. That's what surprised me the most. I know part of it is have modern tires on the bike. That makes them handle better. And we should have a lot more good two-stroke days in the near future. I got my RD electric sorted out now, and we are ready to go. All we need is the summer day. That's the part we don't have. But having this old footage on a cold winter night really makes this priceless. And having an evil twin as we start off the year 2021, great. So I got to ride the H1 up here. It's a real nice bike. Somehow it's a lot better than I remember mine being. I don't know, but maybe it's just me. Brakes work great. It actually handles better than I thought it would. And I remember the first time Turbo Steve was up at Perry's and he saw this bike in real life for the first time. I'm sure he was impressed. And this was some major accomplishment. A frame off restoration, 2 motors, 2 sets of bodywork. God knows how many spare parts and bolts and little chromettes and everything. It's a major, major labor of love. For the historic bikes. If you don't have historic plates, you can't park here. As we get home after a really nice day, and boy, are these nostalgic memories. Look at the old camera mount on the handlebar of the GS. Wow, we really had some crude equipment back then. And thank you, Najat, for upgrading our equipment. Appreciate it. This was a reminder to me of why these evil twins appeal to me. Now, Luciano is going to have a complete set of blue bodywork, just like I have the West Cooley replica bodywork. And he's going to be able to make a green Kawasaki H1, run home, switch the green bodywork to the blue bodywork, the next day ride up to the same place and tell everybody he's got 2 of these bikes when he really only has 1. He probably has enough parts to build 2 more. I don't know. I'm not sure. But anyway, again, congratulations, Luciano. That's a great job. And I don't want to end the video without thanking the healthcare workers. Guys, I so appreciate taking care of my family. And everybody that's enjoyed the video, shared the video, thank you guys so much for watching.